Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. It is winter season, so today I am making date and nuts cupcakes. To make these yummy beauties, I need all-purpose flour 2.5 cups. This is unbleached. Sugar 1.5 cups. Vanilla essence 2 teaspoon. Whole milk 1 cup. Baking powder 2 teaspoon. 5 large eggs. Oil 300 ml. And we have nuts here for cupcakes. Walnut 2 tablespoon, pine nuts 2 tablespoon, black currant 1 tablespoon, dates 6 without seeds. So let's start making the cupcakes with the Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am using whisk attachment. I will add eggs one by one and beat them at high speed. Now add oil. Keep the speed high. Add sugar. Now add vanilla essence. Now keep the speed slow and add baking powder. Add milk. At low speed, add flour. Alhamdulillah, batter is ready. So let's fill the cupcakes liner and decorate them, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am filling the cupcake liners. It is holiday season here in US and people are celebrating with lots of baking. First fill them properly, then clean the edges of the pan. I have preheated gas oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now decorate them with dates. Dates will become very warm and soft after baking and they become so delicious. Now some black currant. some walnuts. Add some pine nuts. Let's bake these beauties, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, they are baked so beautifully and they took 30 minutes to bake. Let me show them out of the pan, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, yummy cupcakes are ready. Have a cup of tea or coffee with them. And if you like them, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.